Hey guys, what is up? My name is Gigi, for those that don't know. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are an OG, welcome back. Or if you guys are new to my channel and you guys want to be part of the family, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Don't forget the bell to get notified every time I post. So in my tutorials, it consists of makeup tutorials, reviews, hair, skincare, and fun things like that. If you guys are into that type of stuff, then you guys are in the right place. So, okay. I am so freaking hyped, you guys. I know I always say that. I know I need to stop. But I am. I'm really hyped because this palette, this is the e.l.f. x Jkissa To The Rescue palette. And all I have to say is, wow. Okay? So, you guys, in the end of my video, you guys will see my full review and what my thoughts on it and the price and all that stuff. It looks like this. It's so cute. Not everybody's gonna look at that. It does come with stickers, so you get to customize your own palette. So this is how I did mine. I love it. I love it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's tutorial, I am so freaking happy because I created this look. It reminds me of like a purple blueberry type of look. You know, I don't know. That just came to my head. And when I saw the palette, I was like, ooh, I want to do that look. So for the palette that I use, it is the e.l.f. x Jkissa. It's called To The Rescue. It looks like this right here. Very sleek, very pretty. I love the packaging. It's plastic packaging. What it looks like. Very, very pretty. Do you see all these colors? Oh my goodness. With these little stickers, which I like. You can put it all over your little palette and customize your own palette. So that is cute. So once I saw this palette and how colorful it was, I was like, I need to get it. And e.l.f. products are amazing, you guys. And this is how I decorated my palette. It just says Glam by Gigi at the top right here, and then little dogs. So I'm not gonna front and act like I know a lot about Jkissa. Like I don't really watch her that much. But I do know that this palette is all about rescuing dogs. I think that's amazing, and she has like 2 dogs that she rescued. It's like very inspiring because, you know, there's a lot of dogs out there, like, you know, that need a home. I would love to have one more dog, but for sure, like the next dog that I get, I would love to rescue one because, you know, they all need a home, and it just so this is amazing. This is so cute. What I'm going to use to prime my eyelids is the P. Louise Time Mima Mitchell. Okay, it's their Acid Rain Blank Canvas Primer, and honestly, I love it. It's really, really good. It's super easy to cut the crease and everything. I've been really enjoying it. So a little goes a long way, you guys. Oh, and also it does have a big mirror. And what I love about this one too, it dries quick, so it's not gonna be all watery. So all these names are like dog names, I believe. I haven't really educated myself. I feel so bad. But at the end of the video, I'm going to make sure before I say everything, I'm going to let you guys know my thoughts about everything. Okay, so the first name is going to be Sadie. And I'm just going to pack this on all over the lid. And look how pigmented it is, you guys. It's super freaking pigmented. Oh my god, I love it. I'm going to be doing a cut crease. I know you guys, some of you guys like, do another shape or whatever, but I don't. I'm sorry, but I just love cut creases, and because you guys already know I have hooded eyes, they just suit me best. So yeah, but I will be doing other styles as well. The brush that I used was the Anastasia A13 brush to pack all over the lid, and now I am taking the Morphe 507 brush and still taking the same shade. The only thing that I wish this palette had was like a pink or a lighter purple. So I'm gonna have to go in with another palette, and I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette Therapy Sesh, just to blend that shade out right here. So what I do is like stamp first where I want the crease to be cut. So now that the crease is cut, I cut it like super high up. And I'm going to be taking the same brush, the A13 brush by Anastasia, but I'm going to be taking the shade Cannoli. This is the first shade that I use right here. Next to it is called Cannoli, and that's the blue I'm going to take. But look how pigment, oh my god. I'm obsessed. Like ELF and Jkissa, guys, you guys did it. And I wanted to get the brushes as well, but honestly, I was like, do I need them? I probably do need them, but I just said I have a lot of brushes right now, and I hardly even use. I use like the same brushes all the time for all my looks. So I'm taking a smaller brush, and this is the Profusion Flat Precise Eyeshadow Brush. It's the ES7. And this is to get into the, like, close to the crease, because that one was like too big. How pigmented this is. Super pigmented, and I messed up a little bit because I had the shimmer and I didn't clean out the shimmer shade, so it's kind of on the lid where I don't want the shimmer, so I'm so mad. So oh yeah, what I heard also is she did this on purpose, like, meaning if you don't know what goes together, these go together, these go together, these go together, and etc. So that was awesome that she did that, because I know sometimes we don't know what kind of looks to do. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the shade Bailey, and it's in the blue section as well. It's a shimmer color right here. This shade is no joke. I haven't sprayed my brush. I don't plan to spray my brush. Look it. Look how pretty this, oh my god. This shade got me feeling all types of way. You see how bright it looks? Could you guys see it on camera? Oh my gosh. I'm in love with this shade. This shade has to be one of my favorite shades in this palette. Like, it's just gorgeous. You don't even need any setting spray. It is just so metallic. It's so metallic and it's just so pretty. So now I'm going to be taking Confetti, which is the purple shimmery shade in the palette. I wish it was like as intense as this one, but it's still pretty. Okay. That looks so pretty. So gonna go in back with Bailey just to blend out the shade right here. You guys, it's so freaking pretty. I'm taking Cannoli to blend that out right here. Going back in with Bailey just a tad bit, just to blend these two together, just back and forth, so they won't be like too harsh. 507 brush, and going in with Sadie and just patting this over right here in the outer corner. Taking Pretty Girl. It's a darker purple, just so it could blend good. So now for the fun part, lashes, you guys. So my girl, she sent over her lashes. These are Leve lashes. So cute. The packaging is really, really gorgeous. I love it. The style La Neta. Love it. So cute. I'll show you guys how it looks real quick. So this is the style. These are super gorgeous, super full, super fluffy. So now I'm going to be taking the shade called Regan. It's a green shimmery shade, and I'm just going to pop it in my inner corner just to give it a little pop. Okay, so that's what I did. Okay, so the eyes are completed. Look at these lashes. They look so freaking pretty. So I'm going to speed up my face routine and so you guys could see it a little bit. I know it's like the same, but I will be taking my new favorite foundation. It's called the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. It's awesome, you guys. It's really, really good. Alright, loves, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys love it. I absolutely love the whole look. And these lashes, you guys, go check them out. I'll have everything down below so you guys could pick up some of your favorite styles. They're super gorgeous, so comfy, and yeah, I love them. So about this palette, you guys, oh my god, I am so freaking obsessed. I'm obsessed that I was able to customize the way my palette looks. Looks freaking gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god. So for sure, I'm obsessed. So the palette includes a sheet of stickers that were exclusively developed by Jkissa, inspired by the collection. So all e.l.f.'s products are 100% vegan, cruelty-free. That's amazing. So I love that. So this palette, you guys, this palette, so it retails for $20, and it's amazing. It has 18 shades. I love that we're able to customize our own palette. These shadows are amazing. They're super high pigmented, like, girl, like you guys saw it. Look at this, bomb. As always, I'm gonna do swatches on my finger. I am really bad at swatches here, and I am gonna go out right now. So I'm gonna swatch the colors right here on my finger. I'm going with the top row. And it says Casey, Miley, Yosemite, Peak, and Cannoli, the one I use, which is the blue one. So these shades are high pigmented. Look at this. Oh my god. Going with the second row, which is Pepper. Is that like a rusty reddish color? And then Zumba, which is the orange shade right here. Paloma is this mustard type of yellow right here. Pink is this like forest green shade. That chaser, something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but that chaser. It's this blue one right here. Came out cute. And I'm gonna go in with my other hand. So I'm going to take Pretty Girl. This purple one. This is the last one in the second row. So now I'm gonna go in with the shimmer colors, and I'm so excited because I only used 2 of them and they were super pigmented. I love them. I feel like swatches and the way it performs on your eyes is totally different, so that's why I do it like this. So I'm sorry, but I would try my best. So now I'm gonna take Strawberry, which is the last row of the palette. It's like the shimmer colors. Tusky, and Firefly. Ooh, that one's pretty. Reagan, the one, oh yeah, I used that one for the inner corner. That one's like the forest greenish color. And then Bailey, oh my god, you guys, Bailey is gorgeous. Look at that. Look at that, you guys. So pretty. Like, maybe I'll try to do this. My hands are all dirty. Ew, that was hard. This is why I don't do swatches, you guys. I see, look at how bad that is. Look how bad that is. I tried. I'm sorry. But that was that. And then I'm going to do the confetti one, which is the purple one. Okay. So I'm going to do the confetti one, which is the purple one in the palette. It looks like this. Very, very pretty. So I totally recommend this palette. I'm for it. I love how she did this, the way she arranged the colors, because she made it for people that are beginners or just people that don't know what to do. You can just say like, okay, these ones go, you know. So that is pretty. That's awesome. I suggest you pick this up. $20 is a steal. So if you're someone that wants to get into color, I think this is an amazing start, and they're just super pigmented. So for sure, let me know if you guys get it. And I love it. I absolutely love it. I love everything. I love how it's not like carton, yeah. And because this way, like, if it gets dirty, you could just wipe it off. But this is so cute. I love how you could just personalize it, and it's just beautiful. So congratulations to ELF and Jkissa. You guys did amazing, you guys. Thank you again for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, or what palettes. I have a couple of new things that I want to show you guys, but in my next tutorial. Before I go, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified every time I post. And yeah, you guys, thank you. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.